NIKKEN are a global organisation, but we're very, very proud of the fact that our roots are in Japan. There's a culture in Japan and in Japanese organisations of that pursuit of incremental improvements and always being the best, and that's something that we as NIKKEN and we as NIKKEN globally really like to showcase.
I think the main thing that brought me to NIKKEN was the spirit of innovation, that drive and need to change things up every day to try and get the product and the customer's experience as good as it can be.
The spirit of innovation shows up in the way we develop precision tools, and with all these facilities here like NIKKEN Innovation Center Europe, we want to be close at the market, close to the customer. We want to improve the processes of our customer. That's the counterstones of Kaizen.
NIKKEN as a word means learn from your everyday research. We're very confident that in any engineering problem we can find that solution.
I think it's the ethos of the Japanese culture, that hard-working, industrious and innovative. And here at the Innovation Centre we align with that quite well.
We strive to choose unique construction and, more importantly, unique materials. There is no other rotary table in the market built of a hardened core. You can be assured of the reliability and the longevity of that product every day.
Since the opening of our Innovation Centre, our team here have actually created, tested, developed and now patented 4 new products. I'm incredibly proud of that, and I'm incredibly proud of the team here that have worked on those. To say that the team here have solved a real-world problem, they've developed a solution, they've tested it, they've proven it, and then they've managed to protect that as a bespoke, custom, brand new solution on the market. That really does show what we here at the Innovation Centre can do, but also our ethos and our mentality that passion and never saying no, incremental improvements are really here and core in everything that we do.
The team here at NIKKEN is fantastic. They all understand and develop their kokoro. The symbol in Japanese represents the human heart. What that means is a commitment to our business and a commitment to our customers.